Hello friends, welcome. Our channel helps you know about various interesting things and facts. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Interesting facts about Karnataka. First called Mysore, the state changed its name to Karnataka in 1973. All scriptures suggest that this is derived from Karnataka, which is what the area was originally referred to as. It is the only state that boasts a rich tradition of both Carnatic and Hindustani music. While the state was home to Purandardasa, one of the main pillars of Carnatic classic music, northern Karnataka has been home to Hindustani classical stalwarts such as Savai Gandharv, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Gangubai Hangal and Mallikarjun Mansoor. Karnataka has the second highest number of Gyanpith Award winners for literature, tallying up to 8, second only to 10 for Hindi. While everyone applauds Jhansi Lakshmi Bai's rebellion against the British, the first ever chronicled rebellion against the British was by Kittur Rani Chennamma, which was decades before Lakshmi Bai. Karnataka's state tree is sandalwood, which is an endangered plant today, given it is precious for its aromatic properties. In fact, the state film industry is named after this precious tree. Karnataka's state emblem is the Gandabhirunda, which is a two-headed mythological bird with magical powers, immense strength, and is capable of dealing with the ultimate forces of destruction. Vijayanagara Empire was one of the most extravagant kingdoms in Indian history, where hawkers would trade gold and precious gems on the streets. Even today, the ruins of the kingdom in Hampi is famous across the world and is used as shooting locales for even Hollywood films. Karnataka's state bird is the Indian roller, a species of bird common to this area in Asia, which is colorful and non-migratory. In fact, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Telangana too have chosen the bird as their state bird. India's national flower, lotus, is the state flower as well. The state animal is the Asian elephant, and Karnataka boasts an elephant camp in the foothills of the Kodgu district in Dubari. The colorful dramatic Yakshagana is the official state dance form. Karnataka's official language is Kannada, but the state also has many other languages and dialects, including Tulu, Kokani, Havyaka, Kodva and Biyari. There are separate Kannada mixed Tamil and Telugu dialects as well. Jog or Gherosopa Falls is India's second largest plunge waterfalls. The Gomteshwara statue at Shravanabelgola is the world's largest monolith statue. Karnataka is home to India's largest production units of raw silk and is famous especially for the Mysore silk saris. Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha in Hubballi is the only unit in India that has official permission to manufacture and supply Indian flags. The Mysore Paints and Varnish Limited in Mysore is the only place that is authorized to manufacture the indelible black ink used for all elections in India. The Mysore Palace, built by Krishnarajendra Wadiyar, is the second most popular tourist hotspot in India, second only to the Taj Mahal. The tomb of Muhammad Adil Shah in Bijapur, Gol Gumbaj, is one of the largest pre-domes in the world and is a popular tourist destination. The first ever private radio station in India was set up in Karnataka in 1935 by Professor M.V. Gopalaswamy. Girish Kasarvalli, one of the pioneers of the parallel film movement in India, has a unique distinction at the National Awards. His films have collectively won 14 national awards, including those for Best Feature Film. The late thespian Dr. Rajkumar is the only superstar to have won the National Award for Best Playback Singer in movie Akasmika. Mani Ratnam's first ever feature film was in Kannada, titled Pallavi Anupallavi. Coincidentally, it was also one of the first films that Anil Kapoor acted in as a lead. Musical maestro Ilayaraja began his career in films as an assistant to noted music director G.K. Venkatesh. Many national superstars, including Rajnikant and Deepika Padukone, began their film journey with Kannada films. Shankar Nag's Ondu Muttina Kathe holds the distinction of being the first ever Indian film to have been majorly shot underwater. Ramnagara, on the outskirts of Bangalore, was made famous in India thanks to the matinee epic Sholay, in which it boasted of being villain Gabbar Singh's hideout. S.S. Kishan had previously held the Guinness World Record for being the youngest filmmaker at the age of 11, which has now been broken. Kishan's Care of Footpath was a critical and commercial success. Karnataka boasts of being one of the states with the highest number of players who represented their country at the international level in cricket. Karnataka also has had a stronghold in hockey, with many players, especially from Kodagu, representing the country. Bengalurian Prakash Padukone glamorized badminton as a sport in India and was the first poster boy of the sport. The Baswangudi Aquatic Centre in Bengaluru boasts of many Olympian swimmers from the state and is considered as one of the best training grounds. One of the most popular breakfast items in India, idlis, are said to have originated in Karnataka, with scriptures dating the food item to as back as the 10th century. The Rava idli, a popular variant of the idli, was an invention during the World War II as a food item for the soldiers by a popular Bengaluru eatery. The masala dosa, which has been proven to be a dish that is more synonymous with India than chicken tikka masala or anything else, also originates in Karnataka. There are different variants of the way masala dosa is made in different districts of the state. Karnataka cuisine is said to be one of the oldest ones in the country, given how the princely state of Mysore used to stretch much beyond its current borders. This has led to the food influencing cuisines of the surrounding states. Ragi mudde, a humble meal eaten in the homes of farmers in Karnataka, became famous across fine dining restaurants when H.D. Devegowda was the Prime Minister of India. Sir M. Vishweswaraya's birth anniversary is celebrated as Engineers Day. He is the man behind the KRS Dam and many other marvels. Apart from Hampi, Karnataka also boasts of tourist marvels like Badami, Aihole and Pattadakal. The latter is a UNESCO-inscribed World Heritage Site. The walk-through aviary in Karanji Lake in Mysore at the Butterfly Park is one of the biggest ones in India. Given that Bengaluru became one of the biggest outsourcing hubs, especially for the United States. In fact, popular television series have also shown Bengaluru in different ways because of its IT connect. R.K. Narayan has written probably India's best-known children's literature. All his stories were set in the fictional town of Malgudi, the name of which is an amalgamation of the old Bengaluru areas of Malleswaram and Baswangudi. Bengaluru was one of the first cities in India to get electricity, thanks to the hydroelectric plant situated in Shivnasamudra. Bengaluru's botanical garden, Lal Bagh, has one of the oldest rock formations on earth, which dates back 3,000 million years. It also has many trees that are centuries old. The Oriental Research Institute in Mysore is one of the oldest libraries in India. It has the oldest surviving manuscript of Chanakya's Arthashastra. The Mysore Zoo is one of the oldest in India and boasts of being home to over 150 species of animals. In the 1780, it was in Mysore that the first metal cylinder and iron-cased rocket artillery were created. And it is developed by Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali. Kannada is said to be one of the oldest languages in the world. Certain facts suggest that it dates back to as many as 2000 years ago, at least. The Bhuta Kola dance form, which is native to Mangaluru, is a dance form that has intrigued many culture vultures to trace it back to its roots. Bengalurian Pankaj Advani is the most famous name in cue sports in recent times. Karnataka has rich flora and fauna, given its elevated topography on all four sides. This makes it one of the few states in India with a large amount of flora and fauna. The state has the highest tiger population in the country. Baba Budan brought the first coffee beans to Karnataka, making the state one of the biggest coffee exporters from India. While Punjab is the land of 5 rivers, Vijayapura in Karnataka is popularly referred to as the city of 5 rivers with many rivers and streams crisscrossing through it, including Krishna, Bhima and Doni rivers. The Siddhis are an ethnic group that are predominantly found in Karnataka. They are of African origin and have facial features like them, but speak Indian languages impeccably. Prashant Siddhi, a popular comic actor in Kannada films, hails from this community. Karnataka, given its topography, is said to be one of the states with the most number of waterfalls in India. While Tirupati, Ajmer and Amritsar rank as popular religious destinations, Kukke Subramanya in Karnataka has found a large fan following thanks to many celebrities who visited to cure their Sarpa dosha. Kolar used to have one of the largest gold mines in India, which is currently empty. The Bangalore underworld in the 1980s was said to be on par with the ones in Mumbai, which has inspired many films. Bangalore is the only city in India with the maximum number of temples, mosques, churches and gurudwaras. Jaya Bharata Janneya Tanujate, written by poet Kuvempu, has been declared as the state song for Karnataka. One state, many worlds, the tagline of Karnataka tourism. Jai Karnataka. Jai Karnataka Mate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates.